Okay. I'm ready for the pool.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm making us a drink. We're in Arizona. We need a special drink.
These are cute.
Aren't they cute? I found those at the store yesterday.
Okay, what can I do?
We're making a cactus cocktail today for the pool. Sound
Cool.
Okay.
Yes, what can I do?
Help me.
What?
Okay. Get me out the juices. We've got orange juice, tangerine. I've got the lime juice.
And orange juice, tangerine.
And I think there's some cranberry juice in there too.
Okay.
And this is so easy, Jimmy. Okay, we just take a splash of everything. Okay?
Yeah.
Splash of some tangerine juice or soda.
Yeah.
A little bit of lime juice. Can you put some cranberry juice in there? 1.5 ounces of cranberry.
Oh, I know what that is. Watch this. 1.5 ounces?
Yes. That's
Yeah,
half.
perfect.
Okay, good. And orange juice. Let's get some orange juice. An ounce of
How
orange
much?
juice.
Ounce and a half? Watch this.
A little bit more.
Perfect.
Okay, cool.
Got it.
Okay, now
What?
get some ice in the shaker.
Oh, you already had this out.
No, I was ready for it.
Okay.
This Cactus Cooler is only 197 calories, and you can make an alcohol-free version too. But we're gonna splash this one up a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna drop in some tequila
Oh, I don't need to put this on yet. Wait.
and some triple sec.
Well, ooh.
Okay, now just put it in and shake. That's your job.
It's a good color. You ready?
Now shake it a bit.
I will. Okay.
It'll be the envy of everybody that's doing it.
Oh gosh, the whole thing gets cold. Oh wow, that looks great.
Awesome. Now I'm gonna do some lemon lime soda.
Yeah?
And you might want to put a couple of ice cubes in there. It's so great to have our kitchen here to be able to do this. You are the official taster.
Where's the towel? We're going to the pool. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, no,
Wait a minute.
taste it. I have to make mine still.
Really good. Okay.
Oh,
Good?
wow.
Okay, let's go.